It feels like home, home, home. It feels like home, home, home. It feels like home.
Okay, so this is such a cheater version. I hate to even show you what I do, but I start with buttermilk pancake mix. I know, it's awful, but we're gonna make it better. So then to that, I have about 2 cups in my bowl, and I'm going to add some of my freshly fed sourdough starter, and that is going to be the primary source of liquid in this. So I'm gonna add that, and then some vanilla. So I added about a cup of the sourdough starter to 2 cups of the pancake mix, and then about 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 2 farm fresh eggs. And 2 tablespoons of oil, whatever kind you like. I'm actually using corn oil, but you could also use coconut oil. And then I'm going to take about a heaping ½ cup of freshly ground wheat and add that. And I need a little bit of milk. Just until it's about the right consistency. I know, it's such a cheat, it's unbelievable. But adding some of the whole wheat does make me feel better. It's got some protein, extra protein in it, and adding the sourdough starter. And then I'll let this sit for about 20 to 30 minutes while I make my beef stew. And that will just add a little bit of ferment to these grains that will make them a little bit easier to digest. And it certainly makes a really quick, easy meal. And if you're running behind, and I usually am, it gives me a way to make something fresh and somewhat homemade and still feel good about it.